What's going on, crypto fam? It's your boy Chris, and I tell you, the future of finance is about to get lit. We're talking about building a crypto portfolio that throws punches like a heavyweight and holds value like a diamond encrusted vault. But that's not all. We're going to crack open a brand new frontier that is real world asset tokenization. Imagine owning a slice of that beachfront property in Hawaii, a piece of $1 million art, or even a share of a booming company, all from your mobile phone. That is the power of tokenization on the blockchain, folks. And I tell you now, it's about to explode. This is something we've been talking about since 2020. So buckle up, because in this video, we're going to break down the hottest strategy for building a crypto portfolio that crushes it. We're deep dive into the real world asset tokenization phenomenon. You won't want to miss this. So hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and click the notification bell, making sure you don't miss any more videos. Let's get rich. Let's go. So we're going to start here on coin market cap. The total market cap of crypto globally stands at $2.14 trillion and is down 1.14% at the time of recording. And this is a pre-record. We're at 58,123.98 for Bitcoin, and it's down 1.54% at the time of recording. But look, let's talk about the $100 portfolio we've been building. And I do want to cover this off. It's not looking pretty, but I am not concerned. I'm not worried in the slightest. I think this is a beautiful opportunity to add to our positions that I think we got a really good price anyway. The portfolio is down 14.38%. We've been dollar cost averaging, starting with just $100. And in this video, we're going to cover off the altcoins that we are going to be investing in. So look, let's sort of dig into everything that we're going to do here, right? So let's start with actually exploring tokenization of real world assets. It's actually outperforming crypto right now. And I think that real world assets, although Nick and myself have been talking about this since 2020, we started talking about AI and how much of a fantastic narrative that was going to be back in 2019. This is going to follow on from that, right? We've been very accurate with our predictions and how we forecast the world being in the future. Real world assets is going to be a massive sector. To $1 trillion market, in my opinion. But look, the fact that they're already outperforming crypto is fantastic. Now, Standard Charter reports $30 trillion tokenization real world asset market by 2034. They're talking about this market being valued at $30 trillion with a T. It's just monstrous. And then actually, if you've broken it down and you actually look at details of what could actually be tokenized, you can start to look at commodities here, right? So if we actually go down, we've got issuance, these are how it works, storage and custody, trading, redemption, precious metals, energy resources, produce like corn, wheat, coffee, tea, lithium, real estate as well is going to be a really big part. Art, digital assets as well. And when I say digital assets, I'm really talking about the gaming sector. At the moment you play a game like Call of Duty, for example, but ultimately you're getting assets in that game, right? You're purchasing them, you're paying for them, but they're not non-fungible tokens like NFTs, for example, where you could resell them. And that is something that is coming, and we're already starting to see that take hold. But look, why do I talk about this? Well, we've got this wonderful portfolio that we're building. It's actually a little bit higher than this. We've invested in 𝗕𝗪𝗪 and another private sale as well. We've got Ethereum, Solana, Polygon Matic, ICP, Arbitrum, Optimism, Bitcoin, Injective, Stacks, and we're going to add to this. We've got a private sale going on at the moment, so you go check out our free Discord, link in the description of the video. You can take part in the private sale. It is for a real world asset project, 𝗕𝗪𝗂, and they're basically tokenizing commodities. And actually, one of the things that they're introducing to this commodities market, and I think this is a phenomenal project, by the way. Charles Hoskinson from Cardano is also supporting this project. The team is phenomenal, great people, and for me, that is a really big fundamental reason why a project does well is the team and the people involved in it. Right? It's just my opinion. You do your research, but they're starting to explore lithium markets and looking to add lithium to their commodity marketplace. And this market is forecast to grow 20% a year until 2030. It's just phenomenal growth. This is the sort of stuff that I get really excited about. I see a lot of people talking about I guess diminished gains when it comes to altcoins. They're looking at the wrong shit. You've got to be looking at stuff that has real world utility and is poised to grow with the markets that they're looking to operate in. And this is where projects like this go on to do really well, in my opinion. So look, we're going to be adding $200, which is the minimum for a private sale that we do worth of 𝗕𝗪𝗂 into this portfolio. So we'll add that in once the token goes live. We'll add in the $200 of what we paid for it. But look, I'm not concerned about this market being the way it is. We're also going to add, so we're going to go a little bit heavier today. $200 into 𝗕𝗪𝗂 or Palm token. But we're also going to add in, if I go to trade on here, we're also going to add in some more Solana. Solana poised to potentially have an ETF. Maybe we'll go half Solana, half Ethereum. So we'll buy this, we'll go market. We've got $130 to invest. Why is that saying that there's only $21? What is going on? It says there's only 42. That can't be right. Let's go back. Let's actually have a look. What is cracking? The price is going down anyway, so this is where we go back and we find out that actually, when you do a video, like you always get this nonsense happening. We've got $130, so I don't know why. For whatever reason, it's saying that we can only buy. Let's start with Ethereum, right? To USDT, we're going to go market. Right, that's better. So we're going to go 66%, $66.40 into Ethereum. We're going to buy that. And then we're going to go to Solana, which I can't see anymore. To USDT, of course, it's gone up since we looked at it. We're going to buy 100% of what's left in USDT, which is 63.85. We'll buy Solana, and we're done. Okay, so now that we've done that, order history, we bought. I'm just going to add it to the portfolio now, just so you can see. Add transaction. We'll add Solana. I like to do this manually because I'm not really one for connecting my wallet to any platforms, if I can help it. So add that in there, so that's good. And then we need to find out, where is it? Ethereum, how much Ethereum we bought. Let's add that into the portfolio as well. Add transaction. Coin is ETH. From the drop down box, the amount, let's put that in there. And then amount helps if you put it in the right box. Start again. Ethereum. The amount that we bought. Okay. So we're now at $819. It's actually higher than this. We're now down 12.4%. So we were at 14% down. We're now at 12% down. So it does make a big difference, dollar cost averaging on these big pullbacks. We've got now 1.637 Solana and 0.085 Ethereum. So look, it's not the biggest portfolio in the world, but this video is really about demonstrating the fact that you don't need huge amounts of money to make lots of money in crypto, right? Because we've added like 200 into Galactica, 200 into Palmera, and we added 200, so another 600 on top of this, and they should do some tremendous gains, I feel, once TGE happens and we start to see that $200 turning into like $1,000, and then you're like at $3,000 plus all the gains you're going to make from these altcoins. Like, this is how I forecast this portfolio going. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. What would you have added to the portfolio? I thought ETH and Solana, just because I think they're going to get ETFs shortly, and I am expecting huge reversal to the upside in the coming weeks and months. So look, I'm not concerned about being in the red right now, down 115.99. I think that this is going to be gobbled up by some phenomenal gains in the coming weeks and months. But let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.